In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a client progress dashboard in ClickUp. Whether you're managing multiple clients, tracking project milestones, or simply looking to keep your team aligned, a dedicated dashboard is a powerful way to visualize progress and streamline reporting. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a custom ClickUp dashboard that consolidates all your key metrics, making it easier to monitor tasks, deadlines, and goals in one centralized location. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log into your account. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, navigate to the Dashboards section. You'll find this in the left-hand menu. Dashboards are where all your reporting magic happens, so this is where we'll be building your client progress tracker. Next, click on the Add Dashboard button. This will open up a setup screen where you can start creating your new dashboard. The first thing you'll want to do here is enter a clear and memorable name for your dashboard. For example, you might call it Client Progress or something similar that makes it easy to identify later. Now it's time to select a layout that best matches your reporting needs. ClickUp offers several layout options. If you prefer a straightforward structure, you can choose the grid layout. Alternatively, if you want more control over how everything is displayed, go with the custom layout. Think about the kind of data you'll be showcasing and pick the one that feels most intuitive for you. Once your layout is set, it's time to start adding widgets to your dashboard. You'll do this by using the Add Widget option. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard, and they allow you to display information in a variety of formats. One essential widget to include is the Task List widget. This will help you display active tasks, overdue items, and completed deliverables all in one place. It's a great way to quickly see what's currently happening across your client projects. Next, consider adding some chart widgets to help you visualize progress. For example, a bar chart can give you a clear picture of workload distribution, while a donut chart is perfect for showing completion percentages. These visualizations make it easy to track progress by client or project at a glance. Another highly useful widget to include is the Goals widget. This will allow you to monitor client milestones and track progress toward key objectives. It's especially helpful for ensuring that important deadlines and targets are met. Speaking of deadlines, you'll also want to add a timeline widget. This is a fantastic tool for highlighting schedules and spotting potential bottlenecks before they become an issue. A clear visual timeline can help keep everyone on the same page when it comes to key dates. If you need to track specific business metrics, you can use custom widgets. These are super flexible and can display data like revenue, feedback scores, or even custom field data that's unique to your workflow. Take some time to think about the metrics that matter most to you and your team and integrate them here. Once your widgets are in place, you can apply filters to narrow down the view. For example, you can filter by client, project, or account manager to focus on specific segments of your work. Filters are a great way to make your dashboard more dynamic and tailored to your exact needs. After that, customize each widget to show the most relevant metrics. This might mean adjusting columns, groupings, or date ranges to ensure the data is as clear and actionable as possible. Take your time here. Fine-tuning these details will make your dashboard much more effective. It's also important to ensure that all labels across your widgets are consistent. This helps maintain clarity and ensures that everyone interpreting the dashboard understands the data in the same way. Once your dashboard is ready, share it with your team or clients. ClickUp allows you to set appropriate access permissions to control who can view or edit the dashboard. This is especially useful if you're working with external stakeholders and need to manage visibility. Finally, make it a habit to monitor your dashboard regularly. For fast-moving projects, daily reviews might be necessary, while steady-state work may only require weekly check-ins. Use this time to review trends, identify risks, and refine your filters or widgets as your reporting needs evolve. Remember, your dashboard should be a living tool that adapts as your projects progress. And that's it. You now have a fully functional client progress dashboard in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.